Okay, we're going to go on finding the radius when you have the area of a circle. Okay, so we've represented the area of the circle by what we've colored in yellow in this circle here. Okay, we've highlighted it. We don't know the radius. It's kind of unknown to us, but the area is something we know. Area is equal to 36 centimeters squared. I just kind of grabbed the number. Okay. Now we also know the formula for area of a circle. Do you know what that formula is?
Yeah.
Area is equal to what?
Oh my goodness. Pi squared.
Pi r squared. Okay, well the goal here is to figure out what r is, right?
Yeah.
What is a? Do we know what a is?
36.
That's right. So we're going to replace a with 36. Okay, so now we have 36 is equal to pi r squared. Now, pi is actually a number.
Yeah.
What number is it? Okay, so let's replace pi with that approximated number. 36 is equal to 3.4 times r squared. Okay? Well, I want to get r by itself. Have you done algebra before?
Can you just do this?
Yeah.
Or do you have
To get r by itself, I need to move the 3.14 to the other side of the equation. Okay? Since this is multiplied by, I use the opposite operation of multiplication. Division. So I have to divide 36 by what? 3.14. Exactly. That's how we move it, we say, to the other side. Okay? That's not technically what happens, but that's fine. So, let's divide it. Now, when I do that, what will be left on my right side here? What will be left over here? Just
The radius.
r squared. So I haven't dealt with that. What is 36 divided by 3.4?
Checking for that he did his right answer, or using the.
I'll do
Or
it
just
also.
copying
I don't see how you use the formula for that. Oh, actually, yes I do.
11.4. Sure, let's go
Or
with.
like 5 or whatever.
We'll go to 11.46. So we'll try to be accurate. Great. But is r by itself? No. What's still there? Squared. So just like when we had to move 3.4 to the other side, I got to get this squared over to the other side. I got to use the opposite operation of squared. Do you know what the opposite operation of squared is? It's square root. So on the next line, what we're going to do is write the square root of 11.46 is equal
I'm
to,
joking, I didn't actually do that.
and it'll only be here. Before you do that, what will be left on this side now that we're doing the square root? Just r, right? So r is going to be equal to what? 3.38.
I think I'm gonna draw something.
Great. 3.38 is our radius. So we've just figured out our radius. But let's not stop there, okay? So that is technically what we set out to do, finding the radius when we have the area. But let's say, you know what? I'm so smart, I would like to calculate the circumference while I'm at it. Whoopsie. So the circumference, I'm just going to fill that in. The circumference is the distance around this circle. Do you know what the formula of circumference is off the top of your head? Circumference is what?
Oh, circumference equals, but like diameter.
Pi diameter. Great. But do I have the diameter?
See which different I looked.
No.
No, I have what?
The radius.
How is the radius?
Radius is half the diameter.
Okay,
so
so
then I multiply by 2.
that's right. So 2r is equal to the diameter. Well, we know r, which is our radius, right? So let's plug those in. 2 times,
6.76.
excellent, is equal to d. d is equal to what?
6.76.
6.76. Okay, well, how does that help us find circumference now?
Okay, do it!
So 6.76 times pi.
Great. We plug that in for d.
Oh, when people spell
So the
it, spell
circumference is equal to pi times 6.76. So what is the circumference of that circle?
spell like that.
2.
What is it?
21.22.
21.22, okay? And we're going to say approximately. And again with this radius, approximately. Okay? So look at all that. With just the area, we were able to figure out the radius, the diameter, and the circumference with that one little piece of information. Okay?